Hello friends, this video we are looking how we can do Excel column autofit. Okay, while you're looking from here, see here the respective cells and all not visible. Something will be like this, right? Even heading also not visible. So such kind of cases, it should be a lookable format. Okay, it should be a real presentation format. How we can change it, that is what we are looking over here without using any formula in a one click. Let's see what we have to do. Okay, just you can select as a whole table. Okay, and from the middle of A and B, okay, from the top you need to click. Again I will show. Okay, just you can select over here. At the top you can go. Okay, not at the corner point, at the top you can go, just double click. Okay, now you can look, everything will be elaborated. Okay, this is a way you can do it in a one click. Okay, then if you want to put a table in a sense, select as a whole those things and put for Control T and select it. Right now the table has been aligned in a proper way. This is a way you can do it within a second. Okay, suppose if it is useful, you can subscribe this channel and keep on watch and suggest to your friends also. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.